What is up, y'all? I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I know we don't have that many subscribers. I think we're up to 13, maybe 1340, something like that, which I appreciate all you guys. I've been away for a while. I've been, obviously the weather got a little crappy. So we haven't been doing any street car stuff. Kind of hanging out with the family, slowed down a little bit, try to focus on what I wanted to do. I did get the opportunity to film, a couple different cars. One in particular, I've been doing a lot of TikTok, so don't judge me. But yeah, I did post a video of the car I'm going to show you guys. This is a Pat Bennett chassis. It's a Camaro, 69 Camaro. It's got the Yanko kind of paint scheme going on it. No, it wasn't originally Yanko. Obviously, it would probably kill the owner if he did that to it, so definitely not an original Yanko. But one thing that is amazing about this car is pretty much everything. The car, like I said, is a Pat Bennett chassis. It was built in 2019. Built for a guy, his name's Darren Rapensky. He's a local guy up here. It's a pretty badass car. It is it's a Proline, so what it does have for an engine, it's a Proline 520 raised cam Hemi, all billet block. I could probably put on the screen basically what's done to the motor, but twin 94s, they run around 50. They're planning on running around 50 pounds of boost on this. I don't know. That's about what I was told. But I was just filming it before they got ready to go to Vegas, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Like I said, a lot of the footage that I took, I was doing, the Instagram type crop sideways. A lot of stuff for obviously TikTok, so don't judge me. But I did put a video of this car up on TikTok, and last time I checked, it was at like 5.5 million views or something like that. So kind of see why I stuck over there for a little bit. It's been fun. I think I'm up to like 70,000 followers or something on there, which isn't crazy, but it's definitely been fun. So yeah, I've been away for a little bit. If you don't follow me on my TikTok, it's Adrenaline Driven Media. Easy to find. Same thing with my Instagram. I don't stay crazy active because obviously I work full time, but I'm gonna try to show you guys this video. I'm gonna just link a couple videos together. There should be a startup in there, just kind of going around the car. Probably just throw some music in there, show you guys what the car is like. I plan on filming this car a lot more. I do have some footage coming from Vegas. They're down there right now. They left on Sunday. It's Tuesday now, so they're already down there. The guys from the shop are getting down there from SMC RACECARS, and kind of waiting to see what this thing's going to do. So thought I'd share the car with you guys. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see some more footage. Definitely growing, getting a lot more followers, to basically what I'm doing. I don't do this stuff full time. Eventually I will, and I want to do it in the Northwest. So there's not any coverage up here in the Northwest. Everybody from the TRC guys, 1320, whatever. Last time 1320 was up here, they came up for a street event, and then they left and said, where I'm from, but Spokane don't street. So that's kind of like why we've been trying to street. We're not to the level of everybody else, but I think over the winter, when the winter is gone, when we come into spring, you're probably going to see a lot faster cars coming out, including mine, and especially a few others, getting up to that 8,000-9,000 wheel horsepower. At least here locally, that's pretty decent number. But I think we're going to try to line some races up, things like that. But yeah, let's get into the video. Definitely comment below if you want to see more content like this. Obviously, this isn't an everyday content thing, but I do have the ability to cover this and a few other cars and go to some events and things like that. So hopefully you guys appreciate it. And like I said, like, comment, subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, y'all.